Hi everyone, Lulu here. Welcome back to our channel and to the most popular video series, namely Cute Small Apartments Creative Design Ideas, where we share with you some of the most amazing and inspiring designs for small apartments. If you are new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of our videos. Today we are super excited to show you the 37 part of this series, Cute Small Apartment Creative Design Ideas. In this newly uploaded video, you will see how some of the most talented and creative designers have transformed their tiny spaces into cozy and chic homes that reflect their personality and taste. You will get some tips and tricks on how to use colors, patterns, lighting, furniture, accessories, and more to make your space look bigger, brighter, and more stylish. Whether you need some ideas for your own apartment or you just want to see some amazing designs, this video is for you. So without further ado, let's get started. Let's start our presentation with this design idea. A small apartment that combines functionality and elegance in a compact open space. The neutral color palette of white and light gray creates a sense of spaciousness and brightness, while the Bordeaux accents add some warmth and sophistication. The one-wall kitchen features gray cabinets and a laminate countertop, offering enough storage and workspace. The stylish living room has a cozy and modern vibe with a two-seater sofa, an ottoman and chair, a round coffee table and a round side table. The dining area is located between the kitchen and the living area, with a rectangular table and 6 black and white chairs, providing a comfortable and chic place to enjoy meals. Have a look at this interesting design. A small apartment that showcases a bold and dramatic style in a compact L-shaped open space. The walls are painted dark brown, creating a contrast with the laminate flooring that runs throughout the apartment. The small bedroom has a double-sided bed, a nightstand, and a closet, offering a cozy and simple space to rest. The small one-wall kitchen has dark brown cabinets and a small black countertop, providing enough storage and cooking space. The tiny but stylish living area has large windows that let in natural light and open to a small balcony. The dining area is situated between the kitchen and the living room that creates a comfortable and elegant place to dine. The apartment is decorated with some modern paintings and indoor plants that add some color and personality to the space. The apartment is a perfect example of how to create a stunning and sophisticated space with a dramatic color palette. Let's see now another small apartment design. A small apartment that exudes a cozy and modern charm in a compact, open space. The gray walls and the hardwood floor create a harmonious and elegant backdrop for the furniture and accessories. The small L-shaped kitchen has windows that brighten up the space, gray cabinets, and a white countertop that offer plenty of storage and workspace. The warm and inviting living area has a Bordeaux color white and comfortable sofa, a TV stand, and a large, low-profile coffee table that create a relaxing and stylish atmosphere. The gray area rug and the modern painting, mirror, and ceramic vases add some textures and personality to the space. The small dining area is located between the living room and the kitchen, with a small wood round table and 4 white chairs that provide a cozy and simple place to enjoy meals. Let's step now into another small apartment. This one is my preferred one, a small apartment that embraces a Scandinavian style with a vintage touch. The compact open space is warm, bright, cozy, and comfortable thanks to the white and soft dusty brown color scheme. The white walls and the white kitchen cabinets with white countertop create a clean and spacious look. The tiny dining area has an old-style square table and 2 rattan chairs, adding some charm and character. The tiny living area has a cozy look with a comfortable sofa and armchair, a fluffy rug, and a wooden coffee table. The dining area wall is decorated with many small pictures in black and white, creating a gallery wall effect. Here, you can see a small apartment that features a larger open space with a divider wall that separates the kitchen dining area and the living room. The white walls and the light color laminated flooring create a bright and spacious atmosphere. The kitchen has white cabinets, a black countertop, and a white backsplash, offering a sleek and modern look. The dining set consists of a round wooden table and wooden chairs, providing a cozy and rustic place to enjoy meals. The living room has a stylish and comfortable vibe with a two-seater beige sofa, two small wooden coffee tables, and a fancy wool orange ottoman, a TV stand, and a beige area rug. The two modern paintings above the sofa and the pendant lamp complement the decor and add some color and personality to the space. And that's it for today's video, guys. We hope you enjoyed watching the 37th part of our series, Cute Small Apartments, Creative Design Ideas. We hope you get some inspiration and ideas on how to decorate your small apartment with creativity and style. If you did, please give this video a big thumbs up and leave a comment below telling us which design was your favorite and why. We would love to hear from you, and don't forget to share this video with your friends and family who might also benefit from it. Thank you so much for watching and supporting our channel. We really appreciate it. Stay tuned for more videos like this, and we will see you in the next one. Bye!